my shirt, shoelace on my waist, Fiji water in my lap, hydrated all day. Said Charlotte water boys live from the grave, got my head being back like the fucking Green Ranger. Young Chris Danger, tryna see my